Zodiac is an imaginary belt in the sky where planets move as seen from Earth. This zodiac is divided into 12 equal parts, each part equal to 30 degrees. Planet Lordship based on Zodiac. First Aries, 8th Scorpio Lord is Mars. Second Taurus, 7th Libra Lord is Venus. Third Gemini, 6th Virgo Lord is Mercury. Fourth Lord is Moon. Fifth Lord is Sun. Ninth Sagittarius. 12th Pisces Lord is Jupiter. 10th Capricorn. 11th Aquarius Lord is Saturn. First we should know why we have 12 signs in astrology. Planets moving from Capricorn to Cancer we consider as positive upward movement which belongs to Moon. Planets moving from Leo to Capricorn we consider as negative downward movement which belongs to Sun. 6 positive houses and 6 negative houses makes 12 houses. Mars is body, Sun is soul, Jupiter is Jiva, life, hence Aries is taken as the first sign. Mid of January to mid of February Capricorn, February to March Aquarius, March to April Pisces, April to May Aries, May to June Taurus, June to July Gemini, July to August Cancer, August to September Leo, September to October Virgo, October to November Libra, November to December Scorpio, December to January Sagittarius. Ascendant Lagna first house rising sign. First Lagna is the Sun position at sunrise to next 2 hours. Each ascendant 2 hours, total 12 ascendants. Mid of January to mid of February Sun in Capricorn. If Sun in Capricorn at sunrise, first Lagna will be Capricorn. 6 to 8 am Capricorn ascendant. 8 to 10 am Aquarius ascendant, 10 to 12 noon Pisces ascendant, 12 to 2 pm Aries ascendant, 2 to 4 Taurus ascendant, 4 to 6 pm Gemini ascendant, 6 to 8 pm Cancer ascendant, 8 to 10 Leo ascendant, 10 pm to 12 am Virgo ascendant, 12 am to 2 am Libra ascendant, 2 to 4 Scorpio ascendant, 4 am to 6 am Sagittarius ascendant. We have 9 planets in astrology: Sun, Moon, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Rahu and Ketu. All internal planets aspect only 7th house. Sun 7th house, Moon aspect 7th house, Mercury aspect 7th house, Venus aspect 7th house. External planets have additional aspects: Mars 4th, 7th and 8th, Jupiter 5th, 7th and 9th, Saturn 3rd, 7th and 10th. Rahu and Ketu have 5th, 7th and 9th. Sun signifies health, vigor, longevity in first house, right eye in second house, father in ninth house, power position in 10th house. Moon signifies body in first house, eye in second house, mother and emotions in fourth house. Mars signifies bone and skull in first house, brother, courage, violence, longevity in third house. Mars signifies property and conveyance in fourth house, enemies, litigation, hurdles, injuries in sixth house, sex and vigor in seventh house, imprisonment in 12th house. Mercury signifies speech in second house, communication, neighbors, transport in third house, education and learning in fourth house, intelligence, shares, lottery, hidden treasure in fifth house, colleague, uncle in sixth house, fortune in 10th house. Venus signifies family in second house, conveyance in fourth house, wife and husband in seventh house, marital desire and bed comfort in 12th house. Jupiter signifies children, knowledge, education, deity in 5th house, teacher and guru in 9th house, fortune in 10th house. Gain, fulfillment, elder brother in 11th house, jnana, knowledge in 12th house. Saturn signifies miseries and longevity in third house, landed property in fourth house, illness, sorrow, debt, disease in sixth house, longevity in 8th house, service and livelihood in 10th house, sorrows in 12th house. Rahu signifies foreign travel in 12th house. Ketu signifies moksha in 12th house.